Today, Decent came to Thailand. Welcome to our Thai customers project site. At Decent Machinery, we have provided a high-performance centrifugal fan for our client. This fan measures 3 meters in length and 3 meters in width, ensuring high efficiency and stable operation. The fan is equipped with an inlet damper, allowing precise airflow regulation based on operational requirements to enhance efficiency. Additionally, we have installed an actuator control switch next to the damper for convenient airflow adjustment. To prevent moisture accumulation and potential damage, we have designed a drain outlet at the bottom of the fan inlet, ensuring effective drainage and maintaining optimal performance. To reduce vibration and noise, we have installed 10 vibration isolation pads at the base of the fan. This ensures smooth operation while minimizing vibrations transferred to the foundation. This centrifugal fan features a split-type casing, which facilitates easier installation and maintenance. The casing is reinforced with 5 mm thick stiffening ribs, enhancing its structural integrity and durability. Additionally, we have integrated a maintenance access door, allowing easy inspection and servicing of internal components to ensure long-term reliable operation. The fan utilizes a belt-driven transmission system, enabling airflow adjustment by modifying the pulley diameter and belt length to meet varying operational demands. For operator safety, we have installed a belt guard, effectively preventing potential injuries caused by moving parts during operation. The fan adopts an integrated bearing housing, providing robust structural support. We have designed an oil filling port for easy maintenance, and through the oil sight glass, operators can monitor lubrication levels, ensuring the oil remains at 1/3 of the sight glass to maintain optimal bearing performance. Our technical team is present at the project site, providing installation supervision and commissioning to ensure proper positioning and optimized operational parameters. Decent Machinery is committed to delivering high-quality products and professional technical support. We continuously strive to create greater value for our customers.